to get anxiety? Because, okay, it may happen again to me because it happened in the last semester or last year exams. Again, it may happen. Oh my God, what's going to happen to my life? How do I answer to my parents or my friends? How can I convince them? So how to overcome from this? So that causes, and also the low self-esteem. I can't do this. I'm not worthy of doing it. I can't be successful. I can't be rich. I can't reach my goal. I'm not loved by anyone. I'm not taken care by anyone. So these kind of thoughts in our mind or the self-esteem, whatever we had about ourselves, also causes the anxiety. My dear friends, meditation helps us. What exactly the reason or source for this anxiety? From where it is coming? Then we try to identify the solution for it. We understand, okay, fine. So this is what my worry is. Yes, there is a possibility to overcome from this. Then automatically we start thinking positive. Then we started thinking instead of low self-esteem, we have good understanding about our life, and there are possibilities to become successful even though failed or scored less in the last semester, last exams. Be much more, be confident in the future. When we are much more confident in our future, then the chances of getting an anxiety will be reduced automatically. Okay, friends. Now let us all go into meditation to experience more confidence in our lives. So let us all meditate. For the first time, if anyone joins, so fingers into fingers, close your eyes, be with your breath. Remove spectacles if someone is wearing. Just be with your breath. We'll play music, guided music. So let us all meditate together, which makes us to come out of anxiety. So which helps or find a solution to our challenges in the life. Let us all meditate together. We all had wonderful meditation. Dear friends, today we are going to understand law of attraction. We have several laws in this universe, whether we know or we don't know, but the law exists. Whether we believe or we don't believe, the law exists. After understanding this law of attraction, then we are going to ask to the universe what really needs to me. Because whatever we ask for, then it started getting manifested. Either it is good or bad, positive or negative. There are three steps in this law of attraction. Step number one, ask. Step number two, believe. Step number three, receive. Whatever we need, we ask to the universe. Then we believe, then we receive. 50% is believed, then only we get result of 50%. 80% is believed, then we get result of 80%. We believe 100%, the result is 100%. The success is 100%. So everyone asks to the universe whatever their wishes, but whoever 100% believed, then they received, the manifestation happened. Who did not believe their wish itself, then that did not happen. The manifestation did not happen for them in their own way. Here, what we are trying to say, like attracts like. Universe does not know whether you are thinking positive or negative or good or bad. We must know what we are asking. A student want to be a pass and fail. So thinking more and more about fail, then universe thinks that, or universe says, okay, this is what the student is asking for, then that is going to happen. When we want a success, when we want a pass or we want a distinction, the student want a distinction, you only need to think about the distinction percentage, not about the fail. Otherwise, they may have a thought of, I don't want to be fail. I don't want to get fail in my exams. No. The alternative is that has to be changed to, I want to score 65% or 85% or 90% in my exams. Otherwise, the word called fail is going to attract. Then that is going to happen. Like attracts like. Whatever is happened in our life, happening or will happen in the future, it's all because of the law of attraction. It is all because of our thinking and belief. We want to be successful, then we must need to have a belief. We don't believe ourselves, then the manifestation also will work accordingly. There is a book called Secret the Power, the author Rhonda Byrne. It was an awesome book. I read first time in 2009. Since then, I read more than 10 times. Whenever I get any challenge, I just refer to that book, then I find a solution. Because the challenge we got in our life, then we have to know how to overcome from that. So we have a solution within. Whether we know or we don't know, we all connect with others or because of our thoughts. A final year graduate is asking to the universe that I wanted to get a job in MNC company. The universe started manifesting it. The same student must need to have this belief till he get offer letter from the company. It is not going to happen over the night or within a month. It may take 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. But whether student has the same belief till he receives or not, it matters a lot. Then immediately his friends came and told, no, they are not considering 65% below students, or they are not considering the people who are not having good communication skills. They are not considering the people who are not belongs to IT group. So like this, there are so many. Then, okay, it deviates from his goal, okay, thinking that, okay, yeah, because of all these reasons, I am not good. Then the belief system was negative. Then we started accepting, yeah, it is not going to happen. Yeah, I thought it will happen, but we started seeing when we don't believe, then we see what are the possibilities not to happen. When we believe, we see there is at least 1% possibility to make this happen in the life. So it is so important. What are the kind of belief systems we had in our mind, so that what we are asking to the universe, so I want this, then for this particular wish of mine, what kind of belief systems I had in my mind, once we change those, or once we have the positive belief systems about that particular wish, then our wish is going to manifest. Universe says that your wish is my command. So we have to be very careful what we are wishing. Universe did not say that your only positive wish or good wish is my command. Your wish is my command. That wish, either positive or negative or good or bad, we have to decide. So in our lives, we might have not got the good things. Then that is happened because of what kind of thoughts we had and what kind of beliefs we had. When we believe 100%, then we can feel that it's already happened. Student wanted to have a job, then he believed 100% he will get a job, then he can feel that. Our thoughts and feelings create our reality. That is what we have studied in the quantum physics principles. So to believe that feeling, right? So once we believe that, the feeling creates automatically. If there is 100% belief, the feeling is there 100%, then it is going to get manifested. We have experimented this in our company. Before 2017, in our trainings, we do not have meditation sessions. But since 2017, we made meditations a mandatory in our training. Then we started teaching law of attraction, visualization techniques, manifestation techniques. There are several case studies, but I will share one or two case studies. One of the case study, one girl from Kerala, she completed her engineering, then she got married. She was into family responsibilities for 4 or 5 years. Then she got to know about our training. Then finally she joined. So her thinking was, okay, then now I already had so much of gap, then I'll not get into IT. So then I cannot think of, or I cannot dream of getting into IT job. That was her belief system, because since 5 years did not work. Then once she got into our training, she understood, yes, there is a possibility to get a job. Then she worked hard to make herself technically excellent. 3 months completed, everything is good. At the end of our training, we explained how law of attraction works, visualization, how can you manifest your goal. Then she wrote on the notebook that I wanted to get a job in TCS, Trivandrum. Till that time, we never placed in Trivandrum location. But she mentioned clearly, I want in this location because her husband got job in that location. Then she need to move from Bangalore to there. Then she got an interview call. Then the interview was not confirmed. They said, we'll let you know. So she need to wait for 3-4 days. But still, she's having the same belief. Yes, this is going to happen. Then after 3 days, she got a call. The interview was for 45 minutes. It was her first interview after 5 years. She gave her best. Then TCS selected her. But they did not release offer letter to onboard. They said, yeah, we'll let you know. But 1 month they kept on hold. They did not call back. They did not send any email, nothing. But still, she had the same belief that, yes, surely I will get an email or a call from them. I'll be joining in TCS Trivandrum. They moved on from Bangalore to Trivandrum. Exactly on 28th day, she got a call from them saying that I am ready to join within the next 2 days. She accepted. Then she joined. So this is where how the law of attraction works, my dear friends. It could be a job, it could be health, or it could be our studies. That is the advantage of doing meditation helps us to believe in unlimited possibilities. Well, so yeah, yes, it is possible. We started working towards our own wishes in our life. What meditation can give us gift is self-belief. We started believing ourselves because we are working towards our, it gives, yes, I can, this is going to happen, I believe it. Then once we started believing it, that is going to happen, that is manifesting in the background. Universe is our divine mother. Whatever we want, we need to say it is my wish. Then automatically universe started working towards it, then that get manifested. With our students in our training, we have experimented in so many cases like this. There are people came from non-IT background. Their belief system was, I cannot get into IT anymore because I studied non-IT subjects. It could be an electrical, or it could be aeronautical, or it could be a mechanical, or it could be a civil background. So that is the reason I'm not going to get into IT. Just that is their belief. Then once they started working, then once they understand the law of attraction, then whatever they formed so far, then they changed. They accepted the truth, reality. Then they started believing 100%. They asked Dinos, I want to get a job, MNC company. Then they started working. They work towards their job. So created a positive belief, 100% believing in themselves. Then it got manifested. They got jobs. My dear friends, it is so important to understand the failures, whatever we had in our past, those we created, not someone else created. We wished for it, universe gave us. The success we had in our past, that is we created, we wished for it, then we got it. So our success or failure, whatever we got in our past, present or future, those are all our wishes to the universe. Universe gave us whatever we wished for. So once we understand this law, we start changing our wish from negative to positive, from bad to good, failure to success. Then that wish, whatever we ask for, that is going to manifest. Universe does not say that, okay, this is wrong, don't ask me, or I will not give. Mother has two children. One child is asking for junk food, the other child is asking for healthy food. Mother gives, feed both of them. Just mother gives a warning to the child who is asking always junk food. But she gives, right? Whereas the other person, healthy food. The love, unconditional love to the mother is the same on both childs. Similarly, the universe is also like that. Success and failures. One student is successful, so successful, one student is failure, but both are from the same class, from the same college. From where it is coming, it is where you need to understand. You are driving a vehicle, two-wheeler. Traffic, police stopped. Whether you know or you don't know, there is a law exists. You must need to have a driving license or insurance. Driving license and insurance is mandatory to drive the vehicle, whether you know or you don't know. You cannot say that I was not known that I must need to have a driving license and insurance to drive the vehicle. So I am driving. So please allow me. No, you have to pay the fine. So it is our responsibility to know what is the law. Similarly here, law of attraction, whether we know or we don't know. It existed. Once we know it, then we must have to know what is our wish and we have to work towards our wish. So what kind of wish we are having in our mind? What kind of things we are asking to the universe? Those has to be identified, and if there are any negative or if there are any failures or related to the failures, then those must be changed to the success beliefs. Then we ask, yes, this is what I want right now. I want to get 70% in my next exam, or I wanted to get a job in the next 6 months in the campus placements. Then you started working. The belief system is so important. Then we receive it. So my dear friends, like attracts like. Present is always perfect. Now at least we have learned. So we are all operating with law of attraction in the universe. So we must have to take advantage of it and we must have to implement it. So thank you very much, friends, for today's session. Tomorrow we are going to have a guest speaker, Dr. Karthikeyan sir, former CBI director, and Sir had many successful results in his life. So we are going to listen from Sir's experience and how important the meditation to the youth also. And on Sunday, we are going to have Brahmarshi Pitamaha Bhatriji, founder of PSSM Movement, on our closing day. On Saturday, we will have breakout rooms. So there are already 18 days completed. Then we are left with 3 more days. My dear friends, let us experience more and more in the next 3 days. Let us transform ourselves into a different reality. Before attending 21 days meditation session and after attending 21 days master mind program. So our way of thinking and attracting the things and everything is going to have a different perception, views, beliefs and everything. Okay, friends. Yes, Nirmala madam.
Also mentioned that I wish I knew all these things much before when I was in college or when I was in means before working or something, isn't it? So friends, you all are actually you all are lucky, isn't it? Comparatively, compared to me or compared to Swapna madam, or isn't it? So try to understand, take the opportunity. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask sir and he will clear your doubts. It may be anything. You have listened to him, no? You have listened. What is the importance of your thoughts? How the thoughts work? Maybe in future, maybe now, immediately. All these things, whatever has happened. So just ask him if you have any doubts. See what happens, when a teacher explains. I'm a teacher from more than 25 years. Okay. So when a teacher explains, when students ask doubts, the teacher gets satisfied. Students have understood something and they're having some doubts and they're clarifying their doubts, isn't it? So hope you have understood the concept very well and ask some doubts. And otherwise share your experience, whatever you felt. No, not only today, maybe yesterday. Once sometimes Vinayak or Srikant or somebody raises hand and suddenly when we call, you people don't come up. I don't know how. Don't hesitate, children. Only 3 more days are left. I don't know whether you miss us or not. We will miss you all. Chalo, share your experiences or ask some questions. Actually, very good subject this is. Very good topic. Sudha madam.
Yes. Yeah, it is really nice. As Nirmala ma'am rightly said, please use this opportunity and open up. 3 more days to go. We are really, I mean, she's right. You guys are so lucky. I could say you're all fortunate and blessed. We are introduced so late, but please use this opportunity and just open up, just whatever you're feeling. It's like Even I was very scared, and I never used to open up, never used to on my camera, or never used to speak before people. Now it's like, I mean, I understood that we need to share our experiences because others get benefit from this. So please, it's a request. 3 more days to go. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Please practice. I mean, keep practicing it. That's what I will say. Be consistent on this. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Yes, Mirabai, madam.
Okay, rather than many sharing experience, I have a lot of doubts which I want to clear.
Okay.
So should we do this meditation only with music, or can we do it without music also?
You can practice without music also. Initially, we may have many thoughts. So to overcome from that, so if you meditate with music, so you will not be disturbed.
Okay. Okay. And earlier I had before sitting for meditation, I'll be getting thoughts that what thoughts will be disturbing my meditation. And naturally that comes and then it will be disturbed. But nowadays I'm not getting that thought of what will be distracting my meditation. I'm able to.
Madam, you no need to think about. Yeah, I can hear a question. So you no need to think about what kind of thoughts will I get in my meditation. Okay, so you just sit in meditation. Whenever you get a thought, just focus on your breath. If there are no thoughts, you just be the witness to your breath. That much you can do. So you don't need to worry about it. You can see also the observation you can find out from today. What are the thoughts you got in yesterday's meditation? You won't get the same thoughts today in meditation. What are the thoughts you got today and tomorrow you won't be getting it? Because those are getting filtered out from our mind. Those are formed since many years. So yeah, so that is the reason you don't need to worry, because that is the negativity from in our mind is getting removed day by day. So you have to be very happy for that. So you just allow the thoughts flowing. You don't hesitate to reject it or don't do anything. Just let the flow go on. No problem about it. You don't need to worry. You don't need to think about it at all. So because the negativity from the mind is getting removed, so you are so happy about it, because a glass of water, right? So you want to take off the water, then the glass will become empty. So our mind also should become empty. So there are so many thoughts which were formed since many years. Let it get cleaned. You don't need to worry. You don't need to think about it. You will be perfectly fine, madam.
Hi, sir. I'm Bhuvana from Bannariamman Institution and I'm a student. So I just want to share my experience. I don't have any questions, but I really want to share my experience with you. I've already spoken twice, once in the breakout room and once in the book club session as well. But I would like to share with you all since you are new to me. So I am really, first before attending this particular session, I really didn't have any idea on meditation, but I've heard people talking about meditation and I've always wanted to know about meditation, but I have never got a chance to know about meditation. And I really don't, to be so honest, I don't have the habit of reading books as well. I usually go and sleep without reading books. But after attending this session, I'm really interested in reading books and I've also started to read books. And I've learned a lot about meditation, and I'm always a happy person who always wants myself and people around me happy, but I always have that stress inside me. And if I'm alone somewhere, I always go to that what if this happens mode. Like I always just start thinking everything. But after starting to meditate, I'm really feeling the peaceful inside me and around me. And I'm being happy all the time and I'm no more thinking any stuffs. And I'm happy that I'm into this. And I hope I would continue meditating even after the session ends. And I would like to thank all of you for making me understand the importance of meditating. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's really great. Amazing.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Sir, I need to share my experience during exam time. Usually, when there was exam, I used to get a lot of tension, and I used to trouble my parents also a lot. Like whenever there is exam, I used to tell them, "I'll quit this time. Next time, I'll write exam." I used to trouble like anything. They were also a lot of fear during my exams. They were feeling like their exam is going on, like that they were. And uh, after starting meditating, this final year exam, I didn't trouble them, and without fear, without tension, my exam went well. And they were like, seriously, this time you wrote good, and you are not tense. They were shocked. On serious, I didn't tell any. I will quit this exam, and I didn't tell anything because this corona time we was in lockdown. After we came to know before 20 days, final exam is going on. When I was in home, I was little tense, but when I came here, I started studying, and during exam, I used to depend on my friends, lots and lots, and I was troubling them also. This time they were also shocked. You're reading alone yourself. You're not troubling us. They were like that. It helped me a lot. Meditation is helping me a lot and lot. And yes, of course, we are lucky because so early it is introducing us. Thank you so much, and thank you for your all supports. Thank you so lot, sir.
Wow, that's really amazing. So you overcome from exam fear. That's really amazing. For a students, that is the most happening thing on regular basis. So that leads to so many other things. So, but you really overcome from that. That's really great. Thank you very much. We wish
Thank
you
you, sir.
all the very best for your results. Okay, friends. Thank you very much for joining. So see you all tomorrow at 5:10 p.m. Have a wonderful day. Okay, let us all meet tomorrow at 5:10 p.m.